Hello and welcome to my Notion Tutorial Task Coordinator. If you're new to Notion, you can sign up here for free. If you click on the link, you will be redirected automatically to the Notion website, and from there you can just get Notion for free by clicking on the button Get Notion Free. So, this template has been created to help you organize, prioritize, and complete your tasks efficiently. If you want to duplicate the template, simply look for the button Duplicate. If you want to discover my latest Notion templates, you can click on this button and you will be redirected to my Gumroad profile. I have some templates in English and in French. I also have some icons if you're interested in that. If not, then back to your Notion workspace, you can click on Cancel. Inside my template, you will get a comprehensive task management, a task sorting database, user-friendly views, and automated archiving. If you want to subscribe to my newsletter, you can just type your email and subscribe. If after some time of using my template, you're inclined to leave me a review, you can either write me a testimonial or record a video. It's entirely up to you. This template contains also data that you can use as an example. There is also the disclaimer that you can read later on. Now let's duplicate the template by clicking on the duplicate button. Since I'm already logged in, Notion asked me where I wanted to add my template, whether in private or in TeamSpace. I chose private. Inside the template, you have the table of contents. If you click on planners, you get to the planners from recurring tasks to the yearly planner. Then we have the database that you cannot erase. It is the essence of this template. It contains all your tasks and subtasks databases. If you want to see your archive, click on the button Archive. So let's just say, for example, you have so many tasks in the archive, but you want to declutter the space. You simply have to click on the left side of your tasks database and then select everything and just erase it. Now you are clutter-free. To create a daily task, simply click on the button Add a Daily Task, and it will be added to your task sorting database. When you open the page, you can start filling out the required informations. Keep in mind that all tasks will be due as of the day you create them when using the buttons in the Quick Action box. Feel free to change the date as you see fit. However, if you want to record a task in your database as of the days before today, the task will be redirected to the Overdue Tasks database. Same goes for all the buttons in the Quick Actions bar. In the Overdue database, you have a table view for one-time and recurring tasks. If you want to create a recurring task with a frequency, you will have to follow these steps so the automation will stay smooth and seamless. Let me show you an example. First, I'll copy the symbol, then click arrow next to New and add New Template. The name will be Dinner with Family, then I paste the symbol arrows clockwise I copied earlier. Don't forget to check the auto repeat box since it's a recurring task. For the date, we will put today. If you forgot to put an icon for your task, you can go back and add one. Then you go back on task, click on the three dots and choose Repeat. I will set the task to be happening every day. For the sake of the tutorial, we will put 7:53 p.m. so you can see how the automation works. Don't forget to save. It is currently 7:52 p.m. Let's wait to see how the automation will work in real time. Since we followed all the steps, we can see that the task appeared in the recurring tasks at exactly 7:53 p.m. If you want, you can add subtasks. Choose among the following options in the list or leave it empty. Let's add one. It will be dine in a 5-star restaurant. Then you click on Create and it will be added to your task. You can see that the subtask count is now 1, and if we complete it and set the status to Done, it will be 1 out of 1 in the completed subtasks count. If we go back and click on Not Started, it will go back to 0 out of 1. Remember, it will not affect the status of the entire task. If I unlink the page, it will set the subtask count to 0. If I'm done with the task, I simply click on Done in the Status property and voila. You can see it in the Status and Completed Task view. If I click on Archive, it will disappear from our recurring tasks database and go straight into the archive. Feel free to add as many tasks as you wish. Also, you can either modify the existing templates or create new ones for recurring tasks. See y'all on the next tutorial.